morning. Welcome back to this is day 6 of the Mae Hon Son loop. So we are headed to Yun Lai Viewpoint to catch the sunrise. It's just about like 15 minutes ride away from our hotel. So yeah, it's only me and Prasan. The rest of them decided to sleep in. It's currently 20 degrees right now, but I think the viewpoint is up on a hill, so it's gonna be a bit more colder, I think. Yeah, see y'all at the sunrise. Apparently we went to the wrong one. Now we went to the correct one. Paid 20 baht, got our ticket. Yeah. I had to rush over to the correct viewpoint. Okay, now I'll start the actual time lapse. Enjoy the views, guys. The sun has risen. It's 5:53. The timing for the sunrise here was like 5:47. It's very cloudy, so we didn't get much of a sunrise view. So we took an L.
Coming soon, can you see the
Coming
outline?
soon.
The line on the horizon is getting more defined. The sun say that the sun is going to be rising from the instead of where the planet is set.
So we shall wait and see. Try to wait for a while, but the clouds won today.
No sunrise for us.
That's okay. Started the day early.
Vincent and Nagim joined us. This is Game over there. Taking photos.
But yeah, we take the L today. No sunrise. Hopefully we can catch a proper sunset later. Now the plan would be to get breakfast and explore Pai. Yeah. Yep. Stay tuned. Join us to explore Pai. It's 2:44. Just woke up a while ago, and then now we are at Pambok Cafe, just ahead of Pambok waterfall. I'm here with Ben, Nanfong and Billy. The rest of them are at the waterfall already. So yeah, we will have our lunch here and then we will meet them there. Now. Yep.
Follow me. Dia dah ada nak. Did it, man?
It's 5:41. We are at this signboard I am Pai with the view of, I'm not sure it's Pai behind you, Pai? I don't know. But yeah, just took some pictures and then we'll be headed to Pai Canyon to catch the sunrise. Yeah. So see y'all. Hopefully we can catch the sunrise this time around, because we didn't get to catch the sunset this time around, because we didn't get to catch the sunrise. Yeah. So stay tuned.
Oh,
How was it?
my fear of heights can't.
How was it, Billy?
It felt like walking through nothing. Actually, I'm fucking tired already.
Shit's scary, man. I'm doing it barefoot as well. But I think the views will be worth it. So, should see. Sun is behind. What are we waiting to?
Why?
No, Nanfang stayed back to take care of our slides. So yeah. Barefoot for the win. I mean, they did say in the Google reviews it's gonna be slippery, so if y'all got boots, please wear your boots. Yep. Okay, time to make it to the top.
Yep.
Gonna get busy. See you all at the top.
Blessed. Because I've been blessing all of you guys.
Vincent, what's your thoughts on this sunset?
How to say
Worth it?
it's a good thing everybody come together.
That's true.
Yeah, doesn't matter there is sunset or no sunset. At least we treasure this trip.
Yes, Ben, you want to say something?
Yes, for me,
I know money.
I mean this sunset, I'm truly blessed to be able to see a sunset even. Yeah, because
So you
every
just-
day that I live for is every day that I will survive.
Can you just
Yes.
end it off with I know money?
Yeah, but the thing is I have no money.
Okay, time for dinner. See you guys.
ส่วนผมน่ะชอบคุณนับแต่ว่าผมแค่หลงรักคุณไม่เคยเป็นเมื่อก่อนถูกใจเธอคนนี้นะ Oh baby only you แค่ได้มองก็ทำให้ใจผมละลาย
7:16 now. We're gonna settle our dinner at Pai Walking Street, which is their night market as well. Yep. So I think I can end the vlog for today here. We're gonna eat our dinner and then head back to our hotel. We have an early night because we need to move off early tomorrow. So you have any tips you want to give for Pai Canyon?
Wear your boots or grippy shoes or just barefoot. Yeah.
Because it's a bit slippery with all the gravel and the sand, so yeah. Covered shoes would be preferred, yeah. We went barefoot, so I mean, you can do it barefoot too, but it's a bit more riskier. So I think that's about it, yeah. You can read the Google reviews. I think the Google reviews also told you all to wear covered shoes. Yeah, Ben, you got anything to say about Pai Canyon?
If you are scared of heights, please go. Yeah, it's a good experience.
Conquer your fears. Okay, so I think that's about it. We'll wrap it up today. I'll vlog a bit in the Pai Walking Street, and that's about it for today. See y'all tomorrow.
ชอบนับคุณส่วนผมน่ะชอบคุณนับแบบว่าผมแค่หลงรักคุณไม่เคยเป็น